3 tools I keep coming back to on my computer, not trying to overthink it, just what actually stayed.
So no AI productivity stack nonsense?
No. First one is Recordly. I use it when I just want to capture my screen or a meeting without thinking about it. It's open source.
Open source? That's unusual for a screen recorder.
Yeah, and because of that, it feels more transparent. You can actually customize how it looks, cursor style, background, even recording behavior. So it doesn't feel like a fixed tool. It feels like something you can shape.
That actually makes a difference. Most screen recorders feel identical.
Yeah, this one feels more personal. Second one is the one that changed how I write Loqua.
This is the voice one?
Yeah, but not really voice typing. More like I just speak and it turns into structured output.
I've tried voice typing. It always falls apart when I don't speak perfectly.
Yeah, this one doesn't care. Okay, so like for this meeting, I guess just summarize it into action items and maybe write a slap message, make it kind of friendly, not too formal. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, that actually way more structured than I expected. Before, this feels like it understands intent.
Yeah, that's the difference. Third one is a YouTube summary tool. I use it mostly when I don't want to sit through long videos.
That's like most YouTube videos.
Exactly. It gives you a quick breakdown instantly, and you can switch between different models, so you're not stuck with just one version of the summary.
That's actually useful. Most tools just give one output.
Yeah, this one gives you options. So yeah, that's basically my setup right now. Recordly for customizing recording, Loqua for turning thoughts into structure, YouTube summary for quick research. Next, I might break down how I actually use these tools in a real work day, like from morning meetings to writing to planning, everything in between.
That would actually be useful. I kind of want to see that workflow.
Yeah, I'll do that next. Anyway, if you want to try Loqua, just comment Loqua below and you get a 30-day free trial. See you in the next one.